honey, garlic, lemon, pepper wings. Air fried, that is. What is good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm returning with another banger, another awesome recipe for you all. So delicious, so amazing. I can't wait for you to try it. I'm about to show you how it's done. So let's get started. So you want to begin with your wings, of course. I have myself about a 12 piece. I'm just drizzling a little bit of oil in there and getting my hands nice and busy, rubbing it all in. This is our seasoning blend right here, and you will find this down in the description box as well. You want to be very generous, very deliberate, and season this chicken like your life depends on it. So go ahead and drop that in and go ahead and mix it up. Make sure everything is well coated. So you can go ahead and preheat your air fryer to 385 degrees. I'm just gonna drop in my wings like so and get these bad boys in there. We're gonna let this cook for about 18 minutes, could be a little bit less depending on your air fryer. And again, at 385 degrees, you could flip halfway through. It's not absolutely necessary, but it doesn't hurt to flip these bad boys. And in the meanwhile, while it's cooking, you want to go ahead and get a pan out and drop all these ingredients up in there. Keep in mind, like I said before, everything will be listed down in the description box. So we got our butter in there, we got our honey in there, got throwing the garlic paste, lemon pepper, a little bit of fresh parsley, as well as some lemon juice. You want to get all of these ingredients talking to one another, give them a mix. This is that yummy sauce that we're gonna drizzle all over our wings as soon as they are done. Alright, so our wings are fresh up out the air fryer and looking oh so delicious. Oh my goodness. These are just amazing as is without the sauce. And once you get the sauce in there, man, just takes it to a whole nother level. So go ahead and get your wings in a mixing bowl. Toss that yummy sauce right on top and give it a toss, give it a shuffle. Make sure they are well coated up in all of this goodness. Man, oh man. Had to hit you with a little bit of slow-mo. Come on now. Stop playing with your boy. This is just straight pressure. And this is pretty much it. You are ready to go. You are ready to bust down. So easy, so simple, so delicious. And there's something else I wanted to tell you guys about. I've been posting it on my community tab here and there. So I decided to spend a little bit of time on a separate vlog channel. Basically, it's just me living life, having fun, my daily life. You get to hang out with me, spend time with my family, and just see what I do on a daily basis. The channel is called Live It Up with Jay. I'll have it listed down in the description box as well. I would love for you guys to subscribe if you're interested in joining the family. I'm on the road to 1,000 subscribers on that channel. We are almost there, and I would love for you to help me if you could. So Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video. I will see you on the next one. Deuces.